Hello dear students, in today's video we are going to learn how to draw a hexagonal prism. For that you have to take, see here, the side of the prism is 3 centimeter. Okay, so you take 3 centimeter as your measurement. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Just draw a line. Now at these 2 points you have to draw an angle of, you have to measure an angle of 120 degrees. 120 degrees, and again this side also you have to measure an angle of 120 degrees. Now just join these 2 points. Okay, on these 2 points again you have to, the side of the hexagon is 3 centimeters. So 1, 2 and 3. Hexagon has 6 sides. So you have to draw a figure having 6 sides. 1, 2 and 3. So what I have done, I have marked 3 centimeter from here and 3 centimeter from here. Next what you have to do, hold your scale like this and move it like this, and so that you can get a parallel line here. Next again hold it like this, okay, and bring it here. Again you have to draw a line like this. Again mark 3 centimeter to this line from this point. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Again here it should be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now you should join this. Just join this. Now extra lines are there, just erase this off. Okay, you have to erase this off. So your hexagon will be ready. Now this is a prism. So prism means you will have same face at the top also. So what you are going to do is take straight lines at 90 degrees. Okay, take straight lines like this. Okay, so let us name this A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now I have named it. Now start from F. What is the height they have given? They have given it as 8 centimeter. Okay, so bring your scale to 8 centimeter here. Okay, and mark 8 centimeter. Next come to A. Come to A. This is 8 centimeter. So mark it here. Okay, next come to E and mark 8 centimeter. Next come to D, mark 8 centimeter. Next come to B and mark 8 centimeter. Come to C and mark 8 centimeter. So what we are doing is, each and every point we are taking it up by F dash. This will be F dash, this is A dash, E dash, and this is D dash. Okay, then what is this? This is B dash and this is C dash. So from that particular points I have taken the points, these points at 8 centimeter above. That is the height. Now simply what you have to do is, you have to join these points. Just simply what you have to do is, you have to join these points. Okay, just join these points. Now you can see you have got a hexagon over here and you have got a hexagon over here. Now I'll show you how to highlight or how to show the perfect shape of an hexagon. So this is at the top, so this will be completely visible, so make it dark. what you are going to do is just draw darker lines so that it will distinguish itself from the construction lines. Okay, so the lines which I am drawing with sketch pen should be made dark. Okay, now this is the front part, so this will be visible. Okay, so this will be visible. Now this will come at the back side, so here you are going to draw it dotted line. Okay, you are going to draw a dotted line like this. Just draw dotted line. Now this is visible, this one is visible, this is visible, even this one is visible. Now here what I am going to do, I will take dotted line. Okay, and even here I will take dotted line. So this is your hexagonal prism. Now you have to show the measurements. Okay, so this is how much? 30. Okay, and this is height is how much? It is 80. So such a easy work to do. Okay, so these F dash, E dash, D dash and all I have shown you only for reference purpose, so that you don't get confused while you are drawing it. Okay, so thank you students. Bye.